Okay, I'm in another spot here, and this one's actually got a pretty nice trail. I mean, I'm just parked right up there and walk down and right down here. So let's go check it out. So I'm probably gonna go down here and just walk through that water a ways down. But up this way is kind of interesting. A lot of going right through the bedrock. And I did just find this, which got some green going through it. And it might be kind of cool, sliced up. So that's my first rock. So I think let's walk up here. I know there's a quartz vein that runs right through the bottom of the water here. And that looks like it right there. You can see quartz. Oh yeah, this is pretty cool. See quartz coming through here. There is gold up here. So I mean, these particular quartz veins, you know, who knows if they have gold. You'd have to find it somewhere, but you can see the vein there goes through, really bold right there. Just comes right up through here and then right into all that bedrock. And I'll show you that people have been digging in that. And there's another vein there. Big one. It just goes all the way through. I mean, I can see it over there. I think I'll just walk over here. Oh, there's a piece of jasper that might be decent. Yeah, it's kind of interesting. Yeah, that's crazy. That's pretty deep right there. I'd say 7-8 feet deep. A piece of quartzite there. Yep. Keep that. And looks like maybe a decent piece of jasper here. And put it up there for somebody else. So, man, that's slick. So, anyway, over here, I mean, this is just all bedrock. People have been kind of digging, picking through there, hoping to maybe find a quartz vein with some gold in it. Pretty crazy. Little vein there. Yeah, I don't even think I've been in this stretch because it's pretty much all bedrock. I'm sure there's some decent rocks in the water, but pretty deep. Be a good place to gold dredge all through here. I see an old big, large cable from, must have been when they were logging. They used it somehow. More quartz veins. Yeah, pretty cool. It's kind of a cool spot for an underwater shot. So I'll do it with both cameras at once. You can see that. And just go underwater with this guy. It gets pretty deep pretty quick. I mean, I'm still on the downhill here, and I mean, I could, I'm holding on because I could slip. Just, that's the tendency of these rocks are giving out underneath me. So, I don't really want to do that. Pretty cool. I don't know if I don't see any fish, but maybe the camera does. Whoa. I got a few pieces of jasper here I want to check out, along with those quartz stripes. Really gets white. Got some nice green. That one's got a nice stripe, so I'm gonna keep that. It's what I call lightning jasper, and I'll go ahead and keep that. Yeah, I came across the creek and I'm at this quartz vein. Let's see how big it is. 1, 2, that's 14, that's about 17 inches wide, quartz vein. I see another one there, it's about a little less than 6. I did see a couple of rocks I'm interested in. I think I'll go over and get this one first. I can see it's red jasper. Looks like it might have some quartz in it. It's got some bright red right there. I think it's worth taking. I got a couple out there that I want to look at. I want to look at this jasper here. It's another lightning jasper. The lightning's cool, but the color of the stone is not all that great. So I think I'm going to leave it. Don't see anything up here. Yeah, I think there's a reddish quartzite agate out there, and another piece of red jasper I want to take a look at. It's like a pretty big piece of red jasper here. Not the most beautiful thing, but you can see how big it is compared to the bucket. I mean, I couldn't move it, I would say. Nice little piece of red jasper. Got some really bright red striping in it. I want to take a quick peek at this jasper. It's a borderline. So, just so I don't say, why didn't I pick that up? When I'm editing, I'm just going to pick it up. Not like my bucket's full or anything. So, I'm going to wander down there. I'm not sure if I've been down there before, because I remember when I came here before that all I had was ankle high wading boots, and they just got soaked, and I don't think I ever came here with my 18-inch boots, and I know I haven't come in here with my hip waders, which I have on today, and still loving them. Lacrosse, burly hip waders with the air grip sole, which is that black sole. And I'd say any lacrosse boots that you get, you want to get that option. And I think it's about a $30 option, but definitely worth it. Just pulled this out. A lot of quartz in it. Along with jasper. I think that'll polish up real nice. So I'm going to go ahead and keep that. Speaking of driftwood, might be some in there. See something else red here. Ooh. Yeah. Kind of interesting. It's a definite I'll think about it. Just found a pretty cool piece of driftwood that I believe I'm going to take with me. I mean, it was wedged out there between a couple of rocks, and so it's been getting blasted by the water. I'm not even sure what part of a tree it is. Root or something. But it's pretty cool, and it's not terribly heavy. It's gonna be a little awkward, but I'm gonna head down there. Not sure how far I can go. Go grab my bucket out there first. So yeah, I don't recognize that area. I put a rock on this down log, so at some point maybe I find a way to come up, and then when I see that rock I'll know I've been up here. See right here there's kind of an interesting jasper looking thing here that I want to cut. And this, wow, that's kind of cool. This looks purple. Nice red there. Huh, that'll be, and there's a little bit of quartz. That'll be a cool pendant right there. Just that side right there. Well, I wound up taking that driftwood and I walked it up not quite 100 yards, because I do want to take it, but I couldn't walk with my bucket and the driftwood without my walking stick, which is this camera stick. It just was too hard. So anyway, oh, there you go. See some blue down here, and I can't get this rock out. It's just too big. Kind of like to see it. Well, I was able to wrestle that rock out, and it's pretty big. It's a nice color, kind of bluish greens, and there's some I don't know what's in it. Pretty interesting. Here's my driftwood. So I might do a 3-tripper, and because really I'm not that far from my truck, so I mean 1 trip is not that far. 3 trips, what the heck.